क्या क्या इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन तुम्हें पूछे 1 2 3 4 और उसके अंदर कुछ हाईलाइट था which you said and they were like my goodness I need this girl, I need this guy.
But they asked me one question is like, what if we don't select you? What would you do? So I did not expect that question.
But at the same time confidence और overconfidence में बहुत thin line है. If you cross this line in the interviews you are screwed.
In my entire GD group, I was the only fresher. So they said that we have a lot of candidates with work experience. Why we'll give preference to a fresher? So I said that apparently yes.
I don't agree with her about the rigid part that work ex people are rigid. I don't think we're not rigid. We're flexible enough.
He said the perspective that freshers bring in. A work ex guy.
Okay, one question which if you've applied to Velinker, you're going to be surely asked is going to be why this specialization, right? Things have changed. पहले लोग बोलते थे कोर मिल जाए तो वेलिंकर ले लूंगा नहीं तो नहीं लूंगा. Things have changed और these guys are the best placed guys who are choosing other courses and then they're getting into that. Let's talk in detail. तेरा क्या है core?
Core, yes.
तो why I'm going to ask you why you didn't apply for e-business, analytics, ये सब तेरे को मजा नहीं आया? नहीं करना?
No, I was pretty clear, like hands-on SAP for 2.5 years and pretty well a good diploma having experience in manufacturing and production side. So I was pretty clear कि मेरे को operations में ही जाना था and it was a clear goal कि I don't want to try any other courses right now. And PGDM core has options, marketing, finance, HR and ops.
Tech नहीं करना, analytics नहीं करना, operations करना है, fin hardcore भी करना है तो यहाँ से भी जा सकते हैं. You can see that. Okay, lovely. Okay, so what was your reason for choosing analytics?
So, sir, the first and foremost reason was that I saw that video that you made, the shorts in YouTube. So there you told that if you had a child, so you will put him or her in analytics. So that was something that I really that made me interested. And also
तूने सुना था genuinely
Yes.
तुम्हें लगा?
Shocked, sir.
It's a short. Oh wow. ये हर बार मैं analytics यहाँ पे इसी टेबल पे बैठ के वीडियो करता हूँ. हर बार इनका सीनियर ये वाली शॉर्ट तो पक्का देखता है. पर मैंने एनालिटिक्स बोला था, वेलिंकर बैंगलोर नहीं बोला था. तो वो तेरा सीनियर पिछली बार बोलता है सर आपने वेलिंकर बैंगलोर. भाई एनालिटिक्स IIM बैंगलोर में भी अंदर है और बहुत सारे कोर्सेज अभी हर जगह है. कहीं भी चूज कर सकते हो. हाँ
you need to do your own research also.
बिल्कुल. तो अड्डी मर्जी.
Yeah, of course.
हाँ ज्वाइन करना है करो, नहीं करना ना करो, पर तेरी तो पार्टी ऑन होगी, नौकरी लग गई है.
Sir, that was the dream that
number one.
yeah,
Analytics.
then I wanted to be in the intersection point of technology and business. So and my field was IT. So I came from Infosys and I was doing my I was a system engineer there. So मैं back end में था. So my thing was that I want to come to the front end. So उसके लिए that's why I did MBA and my reason was RBA because IT में easy हो जाता है. So those are the two things and IT means RBA Bangalore instead of RBI Mumbai because of the batch size and I think cost of living is also a
ये बड़ा बेकार रीजन है. बैच तेरे को डर का बैच से इससे?
Sir, batch size से डर नहीं है but I think because I want to be the IT hub of India that is Bangalore. So that is also a reason that I want to be in Bangalore, Wellington, Bangalore.
Okay, that's good. Okay, great. गर्विता, why BD? कोई नहीं चूज करता BD. आज से 5 साल पहले तक लोगों को समझाना पड़ता था. ट्रस्ट मी बहुत कम लोग हैं जिन लोगों ने BD एज द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. कमेंट करके बताना तुम में से किन किन लोगों ने मार्क किया हेल्थ केयर एज द फर्स्ट, रूरल एज द फर्स्ट. तो genuinely तुम लोग काफी जागरूक हो चुके हो because that's the way it should be. The MBAs cannot be generalist. Nobody needs generalist. You need ये generalist था पर भाई already experienced है, operations manufacturing में काम कर चुका है, but मैं operations में जाना है फिर से. तुमने क्यों किया ये?
So the first reason was I wanted to do something different. I did not wanted to go to the regular path of PGDM core like finance, marketing. I wanted to explore something different. And second, I do not have a corporate experience. I'm a fresher. So I didn't know how things work in the ground. So I wanted to learn like innovation and creativity, sustainability, all of them are buzzwords. When everybody is talking about innovation or creativity, I wanted to understand how to innovate. And that's exactly what you do in business design. So you understand that creativity eventually is not a light bulb moment that it strikes. It's actually structured. So you get into that detailing. So I was more into the back end work that goes to build something from scratch.
Lovely. हाँ भाई.
Sir, I realized tech and analytics is something very important while I was working.
ये सब झूठ है. भाई ई-बिज करके बैंकिंग की नौकरी लेके अंदर जा रहा है. ये सब झूठ है. बट उस समय देखो रियलाइज हुआ और अभी 2 साल के बाद तुझे लगा नहीं अब BNY आ रहा है. I'm gonna change.
So BNY, as we see, if you go through BNY website and page, you'll realize BNY is no more a company which deals into finance. It is a typical fintech company now has become. The AI revolution that they are bringing in with one of their platform that is Eliza. That is like internal GPT of BNY. The revolution that they are bringing into the tech, the way they are integrating their finance with technology and analytics is none other company in the same domain. So I realized, obviously, I had my research before applying to BNY the moment they came in the campus, and I realized this is where I want to go, because I don't want to go into the traditional businesses or traditional bank, which involves those pen and paper and the
Yeah.
typical computers. I want to do something which is growing in the market, which is
तुम्हारे कैंपस पे HDFC बैंक, ICICI बैंक, वो बाहर ही खड़े हैं शीशे के, वहाँ पे लोग जो सुन रहे हैं अभी, जो वीडियो सुन रहे हैं, उनमें से वो प्लेस्ड है वहाँ पे.
वो भी अच्छा है सर.
वो भी अच्छा है.
Nice.
MBA teaches you this. One to its own है ना भाई. पहले बोल दो सब कुछ, फिर बाद में. But good, I'm so proud of you. Let's talk about the interviews. Let's do a rapid fire for the next around 2 minutes. क्या क्या इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन तुम्हें पूछे? 1 2 3 4, और उसके अंदर कुछ हाईलाइट था which you said and they were like, my goodness, I need this girl, I need this guy. ये तो इसको मुझे वो बोलते हैं ना, मिल्खा सिंह, हुडी पानी है ना, मैं वो वीडियोस में बोलता हूँ. हाँ, you own this. So when the panelists decide, okay, I'm going to give him Bellinger hoodie, you know, what's that? How was your interview? Just the highlights about the questions.
So I think one question that they were pretty impressed by my profile, like the way they were asking questions. One of the panelists was using SAP for past 5 to 6 years, so he tested my technical knowledge, which was top notch, and I was pretty confident in answering.
Generally top notch, मतलब किया भी था तूने काम?
Because I'll give you the background why. Because I've given multiple SSB attempts, so I have been in those hardcore group discussions that happens like a fish market, plus hardcore interviews that happen. I was pretty confident. Yes. So that was that. But they asked me one question is like, what if we don't select you? What would you do? So I did not expect that question. So I gave them a pretty confident answer that I've given my resignation, but I have multiple offers waiting for me. But I've taken a strategic decision to, join PGDM here. That comes with a reason. So I'm pretty confident that even if I don't get selected, which I think I won't, I have a backup plan. I'll go back to corporate and prepare.
I like this guy. Such guys actually excel because, but at the same time, confidence or overconfidence is बहुत thin line है. If you cross this line in the interviews, you are screwed. इतने level तक सही है, right? And if you have stuff, then be chawed about it, right? Without demeaning. ये बंदा भी confident है. इसने बोला 1 to its own. सर मेरे को fintech पसंद था, मैं जा रहा हूँ. ICICI बैंक उनके लिए ठीक है भाई, right? अपना बढ़िया होना चाहिए. और confidence तब आता है when you prepared, when you've done it, right? फिर ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस होता है when you haven't done things and you want to try to say, oh my goodness, मैं ही हूँ. It doesn't work like that. और है तुम में तो flaunt करो for sure. हाँ भाई.
Sir, so they were really, the first thing they asked was, tell me about yourself. So there I told them like about the answer that I prepared. So they were intrigued by Silchar, like I come from Silchar. So they asked me about what is special about Silchar, how is the weather there, so little bit about your place. And after that, about the hobby, like I write for my Quora, like I write in Quora, so I have around 3 million views there. So I use analytics. So what I did was I used for cricket analytics, I used that for RB also analytics, like how I can interconnect them together. So they were impressed by that. So those were the two things, and they asked me about Infosys, the work I did in Infosys.
What do you write on Quora? Cricket?
About cricket analysis. So I use lots of analytics there, like the numbers. So I sometimes predicted also that India might lose the 2023 World Cup final because of law of averages. So that is something that I predicted.
इसी ने हराया है. लोग बोल रहे थे मोदी जी ने हराया है मैच देखने. ये
No sir, it's called the law of average. Every day is not a Sunday. So कभी तो हारना ही था.
So my highlight or pivotal point for the interview was why do we select you? Because apparently in my entire GD group, I was the only fresher. So they said that we have a lot of candidates with work experience. Why we'll give preference to a fresher? So I said that apparently yes, people do have work experience, they have certain expertise in it, they have knowledge, but what comes with that is the rigidity. They have a certain perspective, they have preconceived notion, and that is where I do not want to restrict myself into a narrow domain. So, and eventually if I do not have a professional work experience in the corporate, from the school time or my graduation, there are multiple events going on, so I'm not just restricted to academics. I've been on ground and seen everything what happens.
awesome. Great. I like
don't
it.
agree with her about the rigid part, that work ex people are rigid. I don't think we're not rigid. We're flexible enough, sir. कर लेते हैं.
Yeah, I mean, we have a life.
Yeah, it's not about rigidity, it's about being flexible. I give this example, like I like freshers and I like work experience, and the perfect mix is good, right? Average करना है ना अपने को, right? तो वो पता है क्यों है? क्योंकि fresher को बोलो अब मेरी कंपनी में फ्रेशर ज्वाइन करता है, मैं उसको बोलता हूँ 1 साल काम कर रहा है, सेंड यू टू IIM अहमदाबाद, राइट? और उसको बोलता है कोई भी बॉस, TCS, विप्रो, इन्फोसिस, iGate, कोई भी कंपनी का नाम लो, वहाँ पे ऐसे करके बॉसेस बोलते हैं, राइट? तो फ्रेशर बोलता है यस सर मैं काम करूँगा सर, राइट? एंड 1 साल में आप IIM अहमदाबाद भेजोगे, इसको बस बोलना है। लास्ट ईयर एक बंदा गया था, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस वाला, पता क्या बोलता है? सर ईमेल पे डालो सर, वो उसके बाद मेरा करियर कैसे होगा? कोई गया है क्या सर? कैन यू गिव मी इन राइटिंग अप्रूव? चुप रहा यार तू, आजा बेटा। सो वो वर्क एक, बिकॉज उसके साथ पहले पास्ट में ऐसा बुरा हुआ है, right? So when you grow up in life, it's nothing wrong in you, but you have done so much, people have done so much bad to you, and you don't trust people anymore. इसका क्या है? मैं बोलूँगा यहाँ पे जो बंदा मेरे से 3 महीने मेहनत करेगा, उसकी सैलरी 1.5x कर दूंगा, राइट? अगर मैंने इसकी नहीं करी तो शी इज कमिंग इन द वर्क एक्स कैटेगरी नाउ, राइट? फिर ये प्रूफ मांगनी शुरू करेगी। Hence, best of the companies in India, like multinational, McKinsey, BCG, Bain, or Amazon of the world, they maintain this perfect mix of academics, freshers and work experience, because we want both people in the army. आर्मी एग्जाम्पल, सब लोग जाओ मार दो, फ्रेशर जाएगा मर के, यहाँ मर देगा या मार देगा। वर्क एक्स वाला बैठ रहा है क्या? लास्ट जो वॉर हुई थी ना, उसमें हमने मैथ एनालिटिक्स लगाया था और इंडिया हारा था, इस बार तुम रहने दो। अरे भाई तब तक फ्रेशर 6 लोगों को मार रहा था, दिमाग भी नहीं चाहिए होता है। Anyways, तो या हेंस फ्रेशर, मैंने बोलता फ्रेशर का दिमाग कम होता है, बट द एक्साइटमेंट टू डू थिंग्स इज स्टिल how you were there when you joined, that zeal of getting things done.
Actually, I had an opportunity to interview while I was doing my internship to one of the directors of BNY. So we had a very good discussion on the same topic. He said the perspective that freshers bring in, a WorkX guy can never bring in the same perspective because they're free. They don't have anything prerequisites thoughts in their mind. So they come without any thought, without anything that they have done in past, that they have to follow this route or this method. They're very free in their mind.
We're open and hence selected.
Yeah, and you also become a little bit critical with work experience, because now I'm the CEO of the company. So any report which comes to me, मेरा काम एक ही है, गलती निकालना। अगर मैं गलती नहीं निकालूंगा, सब कुछ बढ़िया, तो फिर वो CEO का हुआ, राइट? तो फिर वो गलतियां निकालने में लग जाते हैं विद मोर वर्किंग। सब नहीं ऐसा, बट आई थिंक पीपल विल बी एबल टू रिलेट बिकॉज यू बिकम एक्सपीरियंस एंड पीपल वैल्यू योर एक्सपीरियंस। पीपल वैल्यू, तुम सीओ सर गलती निकाल के, तो कुछ गलत तो नहीं इसमें, अब हम गलती निकालेंगे तो फिर आदत बन जाती है। हेंस द all work experience जनता is no fun. Okay, lovely. Okay, I think we're coming towards the end. I really enjoyed this discussion, boys and girls. Life at this side is really amazing, isn't it? I have sat on this table for 4 years. I think the table is also shaky now. We have to get a new table at Wellinger Business School in Bangalore, but these guys are killing it. These chairs, these tables, these libraries, they've done it. And इनके तो करियर बन गए। तुम्हारे करियर बनेंगे जब तुम पहले GDPI क्रैक करना, फिर अपन डिसाइड करेंगे ज्वाइन करना है नहीं करना। इसलिए मुझे कमेंट्स में पक्का बताएगा, हैव यू गॉट ई-बिजनेस और हेल्थ केयर और रूरल और बॉम्बे, एट व्हाट परसेंटाइल यू अप्लाइड टू कैट एज वेल। और जिन लोगों का GDPI हो चुका है, तुम तो पक्का कमेंट करके मुझे एक्सपीरियंस बताना। वन पार्टिंग थॉट्स टू ऑल दिस ग्रेट पीपल। यार क्या बोलना चाहते हो? ये सब 2021, 22, 23 सुन रहे हैं तुम्हारे वीडियोस। नाउ यू गाइस आर रोल मॉडल्स।
I believe keep working in the direction that you want to achieve. It will definitely come your way. I mean, 2 years back I was watching him on my mobile phone, and today I'm interviewing him. So that's it.
क्या बात है, great, thanks.
So they said that the job market is very uncertain and they are shrinking. I would say they are not shrinking, they are upgrading. So unless you know what actual skill you need to crack, you will be hired and you will be on the right spot.
That's really amazing. Yes.
MBA is not about just studies. You need to understand and experience MBA. So you need to join clubs, have fun, and enjoy the ride. I think it will be the best thing.
थोड़ा दूर है, पहले GDPI क्रैक करवाना है उनका, but wisely said, it's all about the clubs and committees outside the classroom. Yes.
Well, yes. So the only suggestion I'd give is be yourself when you're in the GDPI. Do not fake it. Do not use AI tools to just describe you. You know what you've been for the past years. Be true to yourself and be confident while you're speaking.
That's really amazing. Thank you for joining in, everyone. Do it in the like. क्या बोलते हैं? Like, share, क्या बोलो?
Like, share, subscribe.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. Thank you so much for joining in, boys and girls. See you in the comment section. Can you guys reply to the comments if they have any questions?
Yeah,
sure,
definitely.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. Life मेरा काम easy हो गया. I'll also reply to your comments, but कुछ specific question आप बता दीजिए. If you reply to Bombay और health के rule के सवाल है, वो भी आप पूछ सकते हैं. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye bye. See ya.